Most drivers think they already know everything about the Toyota RAV4. It's practical, reliable, fuel efficient, and everywhere on the road. But hidden beneath that familiar SUV formula is a surprisingly clever machine loaded with features many owners never discover, even after years of driving. Toyota quietly packed the RAV4 with smart engineering tricks, hidden maintenance functions, and thoughtful design details that feel more premium than most people expect in a compact crossover. Ignite your engines, you're on the grid with Motor Maven. And here are the 6 hidden Toyota RAV4 features that completely change how this SUV feels to own and drive. Number 6. Hidden cabin details most drivers completely miss. One of the most surprising RAV4 secrets has nothing to do with horsepower or fuel economy. Instead, it's buried inside the cabin. Toyota designers quietly added subtle adventure-themed Easter eggs throughout the interior, and most owners never noticed them for years. Look closely around the cup holders, storage trays, seat stitching, or rubber liners, and you may spot topographic map patterns, mountain silhouettes, or tiny RAV4 engravings hidden in plain sight. These details serve almost no practical purpose, but they add personality to the SUV. In a market filled with generic crossovers, Toyota cleverly gave the RAV4 a more adventurous identity that owners slowly discover over time. But those hidden design touches are only the beginning, because the next feature solves one of the most frustrating maintenance problems many RAV4 owners deal with every winter. Number 5. The secret wiper maintenance function Toyota barely explains. Nearly every RAV4 owner eventually struggles with the windshield wipers hitting the hood when trying to clean the glass or replace the blades. Most people assume that awkward design is unavoidable, but Toyota secretly engineered a hidden service mode to fix it. With the vehicle turned off, holding the wiper stalk upward for several seconds activates maintenance mode, allowing the wipers to move into a fully upright position. Suddenly, blade replacement and winter cleaning become dramatically easier. This feature exists because modern aerodynamic hood designs leave less clearance for traditional wiper movement. It's an incredibly useful system, yet many owners never discover it because dealerships rarely explain it during delivery. And surprisingly, Toyota's hidden engineering doesn't stop with maintenance tricks, because the next feature quietly transforms the RAV4 into one of the smartest daily use SUVs in its class. Number 4. Clever storage features that make everyday driving easier. The Toyota RAV4 looks practical at first glance, but its hidden storage solutions reveal just how much thought Toyota invested into everyday usability. The cargo floor itself is adjustable, allowing owners to prioritize either flat loading space or deeper cargo capacity. Flip the floor panel over and the carpeted surface transforms into durable hard plastic, perfect for muddy gear or wet equipment. Toyota even created a hidden underfloor compartment specifically designed to store the removable cargo cover neatly out of sight. Smaller storage tricks appear throughout the cabin as well, including oversized door pockets, deep center console storage, dashboard shelves, and hidden compartments that make the RAV4 feel far smarter than most rivals in daily use. Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Maven so you never miss upcoming vehicle updates, hidden automotive features, and future deep dives into the cars enthusiasts are talking about most. Now let's move from hidden practicality to hidden performance technology, because the next feature works invisibly every single time the RAV4 hits the road. Number 3. The hidden all-wheel drive technology quietly working behind every drive. Most RAV4 owners know their SUV has all-wheel drive, but few realize how advanced Toyota's system really is. The dynamic torque vectoring AWD setup can send power individually to the rear wheels instead of treating the axle as one unit. During cornering, extra torque shifts to the outside wheel for improved stability and sharper handling. On slippery roads, power instantly moves toward whichever tire has the most grip. Even more impressive, the rear drive shaft can disconnect entirely during highway cruising to improve fuel economy. The transition happens so smoothly, most drivers never notice it. That invisible balance of efficiency, traction, and confidence is a major reason the RAV4 dominates global SUV sales. But Toyota's hidden intelligence goes even further than drivetrain engineering, because the next feature can actually reduce stress and fatigue during exhausting daily commutes. Number 2, the traffic assist system that reduces driving fatigue. Most people think adaptive cruise control only works during highway cruising, but the Toyota RAV4 system is far more capable than many owners realize. In stop-and-go traffic, the SUV can automatically brake to a complete stop and smoothly accelerate again with minimal driver input. That transforms stressful commuting into a far more relaxed experience. Instead of constantly working the pedals, the RAV4 quietly handles much of the repetitive movement itself. Toyota also tuned the system conservatively, so acceleration and braking feels smooth instead of jerky or aggressive. Combined with lane tracing assistance on many trims, the RAV4 delivers a surprisingly advanced semi-assisted driving experience once reserved for far more expensive luxury vehicles. And incredibly, the most shocking hidden RAV4 feature may already be sitting inside your pocket right now without many owners even realizing it. Number 1. Secret key fob functions most owners never discover. One of the biggest hidden RAV4 features may already be sitting inside your pocket. Many owners believe remote start requires a paid subscription, but on properly equipped trims, pressing the lock button twice and holding it a third time can start the engine directly from the key fob. The climate control activates automatically, cooling or heating the cabin before you even enter. Some models also allow all 4 windows to lower remotely by holding the unlock button. Certain trims can even open the sunroof remotely. What makes these features so hidden is that some require dealer activation, meaning many owners never realize their RAV4 already contains these premium capabilities. Final verdict: the RAV4 is smarter than most people realize. The Toyota RAV4 may appear to be a simple family crossover, but these hidden features reveal an SUV packed with surprisingly clever engineering. From invisible AWD intelligence and traffic handling technology to hidden storage tricks and secret key fob functions, Toyota quietly built far more sophistication into the RAV4 than most owners ever discover. That is part of what makes this SUV so successful worldwide. It continues rewarding drivers long after purchase with thoughtful features hiding beneath the surface. But now we want to hear from you. Which hidden RAV4 feature surprised you most? And what other hidden vehicle tricks have you discovered yourself? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on the latest vehicle updates from Motor Maven. Appreciate you riding along with us. If you thought the Toyota RAV4 was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.